this is Ryan, and this is the TweetFleet video tutorial series. So in this first video, I'm going to show you how to use the control panel in TweetFleet. So as a new member, you will use your username and login to get access to the control panel. So I've created a demo account, and I'm going to log in. When you first log into your control panel, you'll be prompted to enter a campaign. I've already created a campaign, but for the tutorial series, I'm going to create a new one. So I'll name my campaign and click Submit. As you can see, my campaign has now been created in the Campaigns field. So I'll click my new campaign to edit it, and now you can see that I have three categories of information to enter: Twitter accounts, Twitter follow IDs, and welcome messages. For Twitter accounts, I'm going to enter my personal Twitter accounts that I want to be using on TweetFleet. For follow IDs, I'm going to be entering the Twitter accounts of other users from whom I want to copy their followers. In the welcome messages section, I'm going to want to enter my custom welcome messages to send to all of my new followers. So first we'll add an account. In the drop-down box, simply choose Account and enter your Twitter account information. Well, now I have my account in TweetFleet, but I'm going to want to add followers so it can follow them. So to do that, I'm going to need follow IDs. To get follow IDs, I recommend using this website, wefollow.com. Here, you can find followers based on any niche. So, let's say my niche was golf. I simply type that in, and now I was already at the golf page. So now you can see that here are the Twitter accounts rated in the order of most followers related to golf. So I'll copy the Masters, because they have 90,000 followers related to golf, and I'll paste that in to my follow ID field. Now my account, Twitter account, will follow the followers of the Masters. Now I want to enter my welcome message. My welcome message is the message I want to send automatically to the people who follow me back. So, in this case, it should be related to something in the golf field. So I'll say, hey follower, I see that you like golf too. And I'll submit. And now my welcome message appears in the control panel. So that's how you add your account information. When you have multiple accounts here, you may want to send mass updates on all of them at the same time. Well, in TweetFleet you can do that. Simply drop down the list and select Update. Now, you would enter your tweet, and it has to be 140 characters or less, and you can enter it here. And when you click Update, this message will be sent to all of the accounts in your Twitter campaign. Now remember, there's a limit to 5 accounts per campaign, and that's to avoid getting your accounts banned. So, that's it for this first video tutorial series. Stay tuned next time, and I'll be introducing some new features like following by keyword, and geolocation, and some other features that we're going to be rolling out in the newer versions of the control panel.